Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, USDTgroup.top is an amazing project. I will explain about this project, USDTgroup.top. So, first of all, let me show you how to sign up this application. Just click on sign up, and you have to enter your email address. You have to enter your password, confirm your password, and the invitation link. I will add the invitation link in my description. You just sign up through that link, that you will easily sign up. So I already created account. I will click just login and click on login. As you can see, the I just logged in, and my user ID is 13328, and I am VIP1 level. Let's go to home screen. So this is the introduction, the promotion. In order to celebrate the official launch of USDTgroup.top, the company decided to extend the promotion and increase the intensity of promotion. The following activities are now being launched on the reward new and old user. A single deposit of 100 USDT will receive $5. Single deposit of 200 USDT will receive $12. Single deposit of 500 USDT will receive $30. $1,070 for 5,000 you will receive $500, $10,000 for 15 and 80, and all the details here. I just click on confirm. As you can see, total asset is $1 I have in my account. So if you click on sign in, you will get the reward daily. So I just click sign in, and I will get the reward. So I'll get 0.1 USDT. Go back, and this is my team. I just signed up this application, so I don't have much record. Just click on confirm. There are 3 levels: level 1, level 2, and level 3. 3 type of levels. And this is my invitation link, and invitation code. This is my invitation link. I will send to one of my friend. And let me show you how to deposit to this application. Just click on deposit, and you have, if your charge amount is less than, I have to charge in this application. I will charge 10 USDT. Just click on USDT TRC20 network and copy this address. Go to our wallet. Go to our wallet and send the desired amount. So I will paste the address and enter 10 USDT. Paste address and 10 USDT, and click on continue. And I just click on confirm and login. So 10 USDT has been deposited to this application. I have to wait for now. The transaction is processing. So the transaction has been performed. Let me show you the transfer of 10 USDT is in process. So let's wait. So as you can see, 10 USDT has been sent from this wallet, and let's go back here and let's reload and click go back. 10 USDT will arrive soon here in my asset. So until it arrives, let me explain the other assets, other options. So this is the withdraw. Please set transaction password. So I'm not setting now. I will withdraw after 24 hours. I'm going back. So this is the register. I already registered this application, and if you click on app, you will download this application. If you click on activity, this is the all activity I performed, and this is about us, about USDTgroup.top, the company profile, risk control, and company law white paper. I will add the link in description, and reload the application. Deposit is arrived. So the USDTgroup.top 1 day USDT fund 1 day experience program is daily interest rate 4%, daily income 0.4 USDT, and minimum amount is 10 USDT and maximum amount is 100 USDT. Minimum purchase level VIP1 project sale is this. I can invest in this application, and this is for 5 days, 4.5% interest rate and 0.9 daily income. This is for 10 days, 6% interest rate, $6 income, minimum deposit $100. This is for 18 days, 7% interest rate, $35 daily income, and $500 daily, $500 minimum deposit. And this is the minimum deposit $1,000 for 30 days, 8% interest, 80 USDT daily, and 60 days 10%, minimum amount 2,000 USDT, and daily income $200. This is for 90 days, 12% interest rate 600 USDT, and the 5,000 minimum amount, and this is for 120 days. And this is the global partners: TRX, Bitmain, Tron, Binance, Coinbase, Hobby Global, OKX. And if I click on invest, for investing, let me click on invest this. So after I just click on first day, 1 day. I am investing in 1 day, and click on invest. As you can see, the deposit is arrived. I have 10.4 USDT in my account, and I will invest 10 USDT. I click on confirm. As you can see, successful purchase. 10 USDT has been 10 USDT has been invested in 1 day investment. So the 1 day cycle, I will get the interest after 24 hours. And if I click on share, this is my invitation link. I will send in this invitation link to one of my friend, and he will join using this link. I will get the reward. And this is live support. If you have any trouble, if you troubling with any issue, you can contact live support. And this is my account. This is my investment, and this is my investment transaction. And if I click on my team, you will see all the details here. And this is deposit and withdraw, recharge record and withdraw record, read introduction. This is introduction, and the account setting. You can also change the avatar, wallet management, and all the details here. So this is the transaction details. As you can see, the registration gift $1, check-in gift $0.1, online transaction $10, and the investment is $10. All the transaction is appeared here. Thanks for watching the video. That's all. usdtgroup.top. I highly recommend. Thanks for watching. Hello friends. So it has been 24 hours. I invested yesterday in 1 day cycle. As you can see, 4% interest, 0.4 USDT, and minimum amount is 10 USDT. I invested yesterday in this account. So let's click on invest, and let me show you. It has been 24 hours, and my investment is done. As you can see, the status done. I received 0.4 USDT income of 1 day cycle. 1 day income has been completed. Now let me show you how to withdraw. Click on withdraw, and you have to set the password first. So I am setting the 6-digit password. So here you can see I am typing the password. This is my random password. I will change after that. This is password for video. So the password has been updated, and now I will show you how to add your wallet. Click on wallet management and plus sign. Click on plus sign and select network. So I select USDT TRC 20. So after selecting the network, I will paste here my address and set as my default address. Click on save. Click on save button, and it's loading. As you can see, my wallet address has been binded. Now I will select my wallet address. As I select wallet address and select all, and type our password here. After typing the password, I will click on submit to withdraw. As you can see, withdraw has been submitted. So the amount will be deposited soon in my address. So let's wait for that. As you can see, my Binance email deposit confirmed. As you deposit 10.4 USDT is now available in your wallet address. So the wallet has the withdrawal has been successful. Thanks for watching the video.